On 9th March 2022, the KHASI Traditional Medicine Commission of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council had distributed certificates of registration to practitioners of Khasi traditional medicine and practices to 13 people under the Protection and Promotion of Khasi Traditional Medicine Act 2011. Prior to the distribution of certificates to the practitioners, the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Titos Khan, clarified the fact that the non-receipt of such certificates by a few applicants may be due to non-fulfillment of criteria set by the Commission of the District Council.
Kamu tanpa apply hilapan ai nama pisutu kami kam dei masuk ini bantu recognize ni mo bantu itu kat ubawan kami apply kam dapat biang pat itu kriteria ki bangi labu tengah syukur pat apa yang jengki lada don ki bam yo asno ki kerteng jengki bangi ai sarna soraha bani kendu inspectory yo let's say ki dam dunai di kot islam jengki pala penbiang tapi soraha penbiang kat kum kecing kuat jangka commission kena mau elong eligible kamu elong ki babiang banyo ke dengan senang